How to make a stand-in Please Donate on Roblox mobile and iPhone and Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account, then click on More with three dots on top or bottom right. In here, click on Create. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left corner of your screen. Then go to Creations. Select your place. After you do that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left again. After you do that, simply scroll down to monetization. In there, you'll find passes. Click on Create a Pass. After you clicked on Create a Pass, add name. You can add any name you want and then click on Create Pass. After you do that, simply click on three lines on top left again, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Sales. Make sure Item for Sale is turned on and add price for your pass. Click on Save Changes. After that, you're good to go. Open Please Donate, and in here you'll be able to search your pass. This is how to make a stand-in Please Donate on Roblox mobile on iPhone and Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.